Hello and welcome back. Today I will share with you how to stop Windows 10 hidden bloatwares steal your PC's resources. I will show you how to strip away the junk apps by uninstalling them in different ways, disable annoying ads and recommendations, get hold of hidden and manufacturer's default apps and safely remove them, and in doing so, make your PC feel as fast as the day you bought it. Stay tuned. This particular PC runs on Windows 10 Home, except for PhoneLab and WinRAR, which I installed to make this video. What you see here are all the pre-installed apps that we can actually see, but there are more of them hidden we cannot see, but run in the background consuming vital system resources. Though personal preferences differ, there are many built-in apps which are considered non-essential, simply making the operating system heavy, consuming system resources, and rendering it very slow. Those are the apps, which we call bloatwares. We can safely remove them without affecting the operating system, and this is how we do it safely. Before removing pre-installed apps or running scripts, we must create a system restore point. In the search area on taskbar here, type create restore point. Open it. As the protection setting is on, click on create. Let me name it system before cleanup. You can name it whatever you like. And then create. The primary purpose of doing this is to revert your computer to a stable working state if the next measures we are about to take do not bring about the desired result or cause system instability. Safety first. Close it, then OK. And now let's do that purposeful tasks of making Windows 10 lighter, faster, and more responsive. Let's first remove those apps we do not want, one by one. Click Start button and select that particular app from the list that you want to get rid of. Take 3D Viewer for instance. Right-click and select Uninstall. It's this much easy. We can repeat these steps on the apps we want to get rid of, one by one actually. Doing this helps to improve computer performance, free up storage space, and customizes user experience. But one thing is a problem. Not all apps can be uninstalled this way. For instance, Get Help down here doesn't have the option to uninstall. For this and similar apps, we will see how we do it later in the video. The second thing we do is disable ads and recommendations. To achieve that, we go to Settings, then Personalization, then Start. Now toggle off this one. Show suggestions occasionally in Start. Doing this removes unwanted advertising and promotion contents from the Start menu. Let's go back to Settings, then System, then Notification and Actions. Down here, untick this one. Get tips, tricks, and suggestions as you use Windows. Well, the purpose of doing this is to reduce annoying and intrusive notifications, declutters the user interface, and eliminates pop-ups that often act as ads for Microsoft products. We're not done yet. Go back again to Settings. Then Apps. In Apps and Features here, we'll get the chance to see most if not all the apps already in the system. and be able to uninstall them one by one. For instance, click on 3D Viewer, which we saw earlier, and click on Uninstall. Confirm it. We can do the same with Cortana in movies and TV. Let me make one thing clear here. Your choice of non-essential apps which need to be removed from your PC might be different from mine, and it's perfectly okay. Just make sure that whatever app you are about to remove doesn't affect your system's integrity. Be careful there. The other effective way to remove unwanted apps is to use Control Panel. Type Control Panel in search area and open Control Panel. Click on Programs, then uninstall a program. We can just double click on any of the programs we decided to get rid of. Or the other way is to right click on that specific program you want to remove and then click on uninstall. Both ways achieve the same thing. Doing this, meaning removing unwanted apps, serves to free up storage space on C drive, improves system performance by reducing CPU consumption, and enhances security by removing unused and outdated apps that could pose security risks. There are truly unwanted applications and system-heavy features that cannot be easily uninstalled through the standard settings we have so far seen. In such instances, Powershell script comes in handy. By this method, we can remove pre-installed games, trial softwares, manufacturers' tools, hidden apps, and app packages. And this is how we do it. Right-click on Start button and open PowerShell as administrator. Write this command to display the list of names of all Windows apps and packages currently installed. Let's see how we remove Bing search for the local user using PowerShell command. Be careful of the spellings and capitalizations. It should be identical with the one in the list we just saw. Type the following command and hit enter. Here we are. We can see up here the task being carried out. Similarly, let's remove GitHub by using the same command. Note here, the app name is typed in between asterisks. The command format is the same, you just change the name of the app in between the asterisks, as is exactly named in the earlier list we saw. Here is a command to remove apps for all users of the computer, if that computer has got more than one user. Doing this command for every single app, one by one, looks tiresome, right? Of course it is, but there is a workaround. Here it is. Here is a set of commands put together by Microsoft's own AI tool, Copilot. I just copied it into a text document and saved it as a PS1 file type on desktop. And there are two ways to run this script. One way to run this script is to right-click on it. The other way, which actually worked for me, is to open the file with the text editor. select all its contents by pressing Ctrl and A, and then copy by pressing Ctrl and C, and then run PowerShell as admin, and then pasting all the contents in there into the PowerShell by pressing Ctrl and V, and then hit enter. As we can see, those common bloatwares are being removed one by one, and that's really satisfying to see. Give it time and let it finish its course. As stated, some changes might need restarting the system to take effect, so I recommend doing that. Once you're done, try your Windows 10 Lite for some time. See it, feel it. If you like the experience, do not forget to create another restore point, for you might need it sometime. If you do not like the change, or prefer the original state, or you faced some system problem or system crash, you can revert back using the restore point you created earlier. I hope your Windows 10 PC, after all these debloating measures, boots quicker, responds faster, and performs much better. If so, please like and share this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your company.